Hello guys, today we have a TECNO Camon 18P and today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on this device. So you have to start from downloading a fax app in the Google Store. You will find a lot of them here. I choose the top fax app. So we have to open it and allow permissions. Now if you want to send the fax, just choose your document source by opening this little plus. Then choose your source. I will choose something from my gallery. Now just click import. How you can see, now we can adjust the shape of your document, and if you are ready, click here. Then choose the title for it. You can also add a signature, text or a graffiti. If you're ready, click here, and there is a place where you have to type a number, and optionally you can add note. You can add small note. And that's it. If you want to add more documents, click here and again, do it same, or just if you want to send it, just use that button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.